I know what's in your mind. This is not your regular tomato stew. Today's recipe is so delicious, you will want to make it again and again. It is quick, easy, and packed with flavors. If you are ready to make something irresistibly delicious and also find out what stew we are making, stay back and continue watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a very delicious stew. Like I said earlier, not your regular tomato stew. Now let me show you the ingredients we'll be using. It is very important that you prep your ingredients before cooking, and that is what we'll be doing first. In here we'll have 4 red bell peppers, 1 big bulb onion, and 1 scotch bonnet. I'm using 1 scotch bonnet because this pepper is very hot. Yes, just this one is okay for me. Feel free to use any number or type of chili you want. Here is another ingredient, the star of the show, carrots. Now you know guys, we are making carrot stew. I bet you've not tried it before, and if you have, I'm sure you've not made it this way that I'm about to show you. So continue watching, okay? Now we're going to scrape out the back. Once done, proceed to washing them, the carrots, the peppers, and onions. Afterwards, chop them into chunks like this and transfer into your blender and give it a smooth blend. Moving on to the next stage. In a pot, pour in the blended carrot and pepper mix. Can you see the consistency? Please do not blend with too much water. Now we're going to allow it to cook until the water dries up completely. Checking back after allowing it to cook for minutes, guys, it is completely dry. Can you see? There is no water in it. This is how it should look like, okay? Now let's put it aside and move on. In a dry pot, go in with reasonable amounts of olive or vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil. Use any oil of your choice, okay? Now, once the oil is heated, I'll go in with the diced onions. Give it a stir and allow it to fry for a minute, okay? When it has fried like halfway, not up to a minute, I like to go in with my ginger garlic paste, a full teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and a teaspoon of dry thyme. You are free to use the ginger garlic powder if that's what you have. Let's give it a nice stir and continue to fry until fragrant. At this point, the kitchen is filled with incredible aromas. It smells good. Now, pour in the cooked carrot pepper mix and give it a good mix. We are going to allow it to fry for 3 to 4 minutes or even less. Remember, it's been cooked, okay? So we're not frying for a long time. Checking back after frying for 3 minutes, you will notice the oil is beginning to come out. Introduce your protein of choice. I'm using grilled chicken drums. Stir that in, cover it up, and allow to fry for extra 1 minute before introducing the chicken stock. If you don't have stock, broth, please use water, okay? Once it starts boiling like so, I'll go in with the cooked eggs. It is optional, but if you can afford it, why not? Next ingredient, a teaspoon of chicken seasoning, a teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 teaspoon of curry powder. Afterwards, give it a good stir to well combined. We are going to allow it to simmer for just 2 to 3 minutes. I think at this point, we should give tomato stew a break. Yes, let the tomato breathe. You can't really tell the difference from the appearance. It looks like tomato stew. And for the taste, guys, stick around because we are testing it towards the end of this video. This is after allowing it to cook for 2 minutes. Guys, it is ready. Now let's give it last gentle stir. Look at that. Delicious. Yummy. This is the right time to test if it needs salt or seasoning adjustment. And please, if this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Here, I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, small chops, and more. If it sounds interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family, okay? Thank you. And to my newest and returning subscribers, guys, thank you for your massive love and support. I love you all. Please keep it up, okay? And there you have it, guys. Our delicious, mouth-watering carrot stew is set. Please give it a go, okay? And let me know how it turns out for you in the comment. Also, help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. Now it is time to taste. Yes, you know how we do it, guys. Get to your spoon, your fork, let's go. Oh my word, guys, it tasted real good. Better than your regular tomato stew. Yes, I said it. Try it out and thank me later. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you for joining me in creating this amazing recipe. If you found it interesting, don't forget to like it, share, comment, and subscribe. Until I see you next time, keep cooking, keep eating, and keep smiling. Bye-bye.